Okay, so this is the other package that I got for the Harley. These ones are the grips for the Harley. I think these ones are 1 inch, and gonna open them. Bought them on eBay for $15. Both of them. It's aluminum, CNC aluminum. This for the left side. This for the throttle. Comes with the throttle thing and everything. So this for the left and right. I think they're gonna look cool on the bike. And give it a nice touch to it, and then a nice what do you say? Different look to the bike. Actually, I'm gonna. This one has a spike on it, so I'm gonna do a little bit of sanding on here so it's not too spiky. But yeah, this for the left and right. And if you guys like them, buy them. They're cheap and they will look nice on your bike. So yeah, $15, free shipping and handling from California. 3-day shipping, so it will arrive quickly to your house. It depends on where you live, so just give it a try and then tell me what you guys think. Peace.